So number 5, you're going to take x minus 1 and divide it into 2x cubed. Let me get a regular marker here. Two x cubed plus x squared plus 2x minus 5. Remember how we're going to, they have to be in descending order, right? Those degrees. So it's a degree of 3, a degree of 2, a degree of 1, a degree of 0. So it's good to go. You don't have to worry about any 0 x's or anything like that. So you want to ask yourself, how do I make x look like 2x cubed with multiplication? Times about 2x squared. So 2 times 1 is 2, and x times x is x cubed. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute that to x minus 1. So 2x cubed, and then 2x, negative 2x squared, right? So I'm multiplying this guy to both of these. I'm always going to distribute against that. Yep. So 2x squared times x, 2x cubed, and 2x squared times negative 1, negative 2x squared. And we're going to subtract them. I'm going to change all them signs, right? Okay, so it's a plus, minus, plus. Because I love to add better than I do to subtract. Those cancel like we said they were going to, like they should. And then, what would you get with your x squareds now? There's like a 1 there. 3x squared, yep. You got two pieces over here, right? So you might as well just go ahead and bring this down. It's positive 2x. I'm going to say plus 2x here. So just bring it down, like long division normally does. Now you're going to compare x with 3x squared, right? Don't worry about anything else on top. So 3x, right? And it's a positive 3x, so plus 3x. So 3x times both of these dudes. So 3x times x is supposed to be 3x squared. And then 3x times a negative 1, negative 3x. Remember, you're going to subtract these, right? And I'm going to change all the signs. That cancels like it's supposed to. 2x plus 3x. 5x. You might as well just go ahead and bring that negative 5 down, right? So now you got to figure out, how do you make x look like 5x? By 5, right? Just by 5, and it'd be positive 5, right? So you say plus 5. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Looky there. It's going to wind up just canceling each other out. And you get 0 as a remainder. So your answer is 1 up top. Now, if you really wanted to make sure that was right, if you really wanted to make sure, i.e. if it was a test, I don't know if I do it on every homework problem or not, but you remember how if you divide something, well, how do you undo division? Multiply. So if you took x minus 1 and times it by this up here on the top, you should get what's underneath the bottom. Does that make sense? Just like if I said 10 divided by 5, what's 10 divided by 5? 2. So that means that 2 times 5 is 10. So if you take x minus 1 times what's on top, you should get what's on the bottom. Underneath, well, what's underneath that little bridge there. So you can always multiply it back out and see if you get the same thing.